There we go. Look at that. Everybody's eating. Hi, baby girl. Look how precious. Oh, she's so cute. I'm trying to get him playing.
Don't get me in there.
I hear the pitter-pattering of little feet. Where is he? There he is. There's Boo Boo. Oh. Hi, you. Hey, Casper. Oh, my goodness. You guys are full of spunk. Look at you. You want up and get some lovies, don't you? Whoa.
Oh, spunky tonight. You hear spunky?
Yeah, I do. I can't catch up with them. I hear their little feet and I can't catch up with them. Don't worry. I know. I won't, okay? Hi. Well, hello, you. Hello, you. Hi, teacup. There's Prancer, because he just walks with a giant prance. I feel somebody coming around behind me. Well, hi. Hi, gorgeous. Hello. I get a shot of everybody's face just in this first one. Oop. Yeah, you just want to keep getting in it. Oh, there they go. Oh, look at that. You can hold your own. Hey, boys. Oh, he's trying to eat. That's why all of a sudden he didn't want to play. Oh, I can zoom in and out while I'm videoing.
Yeah, you can zoom in and out.
Come on, Cheech, get out of the way. There's Daddy. He's just trying to sneak in to get the food. Oh, look at you. Aw, that's a good job. Hush, Nino.
You feel better now, Nino?
Do you like the ball?
You feel better, Nino?
They like your slippers, huh?
Yeah, they love it. They were chewing on the little ball.
Okay.